Y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I'm addressing y'all so aggressively. I am just so excited today because it's been a minute since I did a wig review. I did a poll on my channel and I did a poll on Instagram. Sorry if I get the socials mixed up. And I asked you guys what wig did you want to see first, and all of you chose the mocha color wig, which I am so excited because, as you know, I don't really wear a lot of mocha colored brown wigs. If you look into my history of wigography, okay, usually I'm a blonde girl, I'm a pink girl, I'm a colorful girl. So I was so happy when I seen that all of y'all put that y'all want me to style this mocha colored wig. So we're gonna get right into it. I don't want this video to be too long. I want to share with you guys this wig, share where you can get it, and show you how to slay it. If you hear the sirens, I live in New York City. If you're new, you're going to hear sirens a lot when I'm filming. Someone needs emergency services. I can't be mad at that. So today's mocha wig is by Sensational Bare Lace. Listen, me and Sensational have a long history. Oh, I have a long history with them. I don't know if they have a long history with me, but I've been wearing their, actually my first wig that I displayed on this channel, I'm sorry if I'm sweating a little bit, it's a little bit hot. The first wig that I displayed on this channel was a Sensational wig. So I will always have love for Sensational. I will always, you know, love their wigs. Are all their wigs fabulous? Absolutely fucking not. But over the years, I feel like I found my share of good and bad wigs from Sensational. And today I am looking at a really good one. This is from their Bare Lace collection. Now the Bare Lace collections, I'm gonna read from the back. So basically they have 20% larger grid pattern on the lace, 40% thinner lace design, shows more skin compared to generic lace, dissipates light for non-reflective matte finish, stronger reinforced tear-resistant lace fiber. Now it shows you right here what's the difference of the wigs. As you can see, what's the difference of the laces. Kind of reviewed a few. I'm actually gonna make a bare lace playlist on my channel, so if anybody's just interested in these type of wigs, or these type of wigs fit your lifestyle and they're easy for you to install and you want to buy more and more colors or whatever, I'm gonna put together a bare lace playlist. So make sure after this video you check that out so you can see what bare lace wigs by Sensational that I installed. Go ahead and open up the box. And I love how they package it. They package it so pretty and so neatly. Okay. Oh, goodness. This is her, baby. This is what I'm wearing today. Do you see her? Do you see her? This one that I'm rocking is the Mocha unit, and the style is a 13x6 unit 10. Okay. I don't need all of that. Let me just go ahead and cut this off. You know these wigs be coming with everything, child. Okay. I appreciate how they pack the wigs, though. I appreciate it. Just a little too much for me, child. Take that out. We don't need that. All right, let's cut this off. Okay, so. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, like, look at this. Hold on, I'm about to. Hold on. Ooh, a little snot. This wig has two small, literally tiny clips in the front. They're right here, so they go to the side of your head. It has a strap, adjustable strap, by the way, that you can adjust. You can make tighter, looser. I'm gonna actually make mine a little bit tighter because this is a glueless wig, ladies and gentlemen. And if you don't know what a glueless wig is, you don't have to use glue. You don't have to use any type of adhesive to keep it on your head because it's glueless. This is the comb in the back. It's a really large comb. Okay, and then it has the usual wig straps that every wig come with, and I love the fact that it's brown. Like everything is just brown. So I love that. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip that together. And this is the lace. Oh my gosh, it feels so thin. Oh my goodness, it feels so thin. It's scared. I feel like if I go like this, it'll probably rip open. But yes, nice and thin. So I'm gonna just stop talking and I'm just gonna try this on. Whew. Okay, it's crazy that I look just like Beyonce. Like, it's crazy. I get it everywhere. I go like, Beyonce, Beyonce. Like, I know. Y'all don't gotta keep telling me I look just like her. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So it has free, as you can see, free parting. All that free parting right there. All of that. So all this parting right here. It's a 13 by 6. So you can literally part it all in this area right here. All in that area right there. You can part it. I don't even know like how I want to style it. Like, I'm still like trying to see like how it would look. Like, do I want to do a middle part? Do I want to do like a side part? I'm a middle part girl. I love middle parts. So let me see how it would look in the middle. Let me see. I'm just gonna go through it with my brush just to see how it takes when I, okay, brush it out. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. I think it looks even better brushed out than it did when it wasn't brushed out. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just carefully go through it, not too hard, just very, very with a light hand. With the light hand. And it doesn't tangle. I don't really feel a lot of like, you know, tangles when I brush through it, so that's a good thing. Fresh on the scene. This is how the hair, hold on, let me just pull up my shirt because the boobs are saggy, child. This, ooh, child. This is how the hair came out. Absolutely perfect. I love this wig. So easy to install. It's giving fabulous, it's giving luxury, it's giving housewife, it's giving walking down Rodeo Drive with no job. My job is just to stay at home with no kids and shop all day and cook for my man and walk around looking good. That's what it's giving. So I can show you the ends. Excuse the big boobs. Look how beautiful it is. Woo! I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from the back because we all know it can look good from the front. Crazy from the back, so let's see how it looks from the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it towards my back, which I don't like my hair in the back, but Let's see how it looks in the back. It's in the back, you guys. I can't see the back, so I don't know until I edit. Yeah, I like the fact that I put the, you know, the lace glue to kind of get the hairs out my face, because I like this part right here. I like for it to sit up so that this falls down, so it gives it really luscious curls. So I love that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you a million. I have so many videos coming. I want you guys below to tell me what you want to see. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for vlogs, walking around New York, my outfits, everything. I will give that to you. It's just that I don't like summertime. I get really hot because I take antidepressants and it makes you overheated, and I don't like summer. So summertime, I'm literally in my house in the AC. I'll go out once in the blue at night, but I don't like summers in New York. Now, if I was in LA, I love, you know, the heat in LA. I dress up. But in New York, heat is a different type of heat. It's not even like a fun heat. I wear pounds of makeup. I wear my wigs. My face is gonna be sweating. Like, who wants to deal with that? So I don't have a lot of vlogs out this summer because I don't fucking like summer. But I love the fall and I love the cold. So there'll be vlogs coming up with that. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think below, and I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, keep slaying.